Hello, I'm Renata Stafford. This is a project for Art 337 at BYU, Idaho, the Loop County, Nebraska website redesign. This is the original Loop County website that we were asked to redesign. As you can see, there's not a whole lot here. Nothing really to focus on. Just a few links here, There's not much in there. There is a kind of a local election results that are set apart. And they did want that to be a focus. So if you look at the project requirements, you'll see that we were asked to have a Loop County homepage, a voter information page, as we just saw, a driver's test page, a photo history page, and a building permit page. Mostly all these have just information and a few links. So here I'm going to start off with my sketches. As you can see, they're kind of boxy, but I like the block idea. I liked having everything in a container, easy to see, easy to get to, and I like to have everything above the fold. So that's all there when you first look at the web page. Here's my original wireframe. It's basically the box with all of the content and a background. There's a header and a footer and even some COVID-19 information. This is my original mock-up with images. There's the background image, and the little module in the middle has kind of a semi-opaque background that set it off from the background and make the text easier to see. But in testing, I found that it wasn't as easy to see as I thought it was. So what I ended up doing was, I'm going to switch back and forth a few times so you can see. I made the background lighter, the background image lighter, and I made the module background a little more opaque so that the information is easier to see. So this is my final design. Now we're going to take a look at the actual prototype. This is, you'll notice there is no background. One thing I really got from user testing was that the background on the mobile view just wasn't necessary. It didn't serve a purpose, and you really couldn't tell what it was because you couldn't see anything off to the side. It was all just kind of squished in there. So I opted for a nice textured background with a colored overlay, and I think it's really effective. Also, another thing from testing, I learned that a lot of users don't even recognize the little 3-line hamburger menu. So I opted to go with just the word menu, and that helped a lot. So we have our nice little drop-down menu. It's kind of a double drop-down. So if we click on government, we can see all the government offices. We go to the elections page, which is one of the required pages. If we scroll down, we find our precinct lookup form. So we can look up and find our precinct. It'll give us our precinct information. We'll go back to the home page, or actually, we'll just go to the menu. We also have the planning and zoning page. It has a place to apply for a permit. It has forms, fee schedule, contact information for the zoning administrator, and a little mission statement. We kind of have something similar also on the registrar page, the elections page, a little bit of a mission statement. Here's the motor vehicles page, specifically the driver's test information. We have our locations here and also a list of things to expect. And I actually put in bullet points here because I thought it helped kind of bring out the information and make it a little more readable. And finally, we have our history page. And in user testing, you see this is just, it's an image and then a blurb, and an image and a blurb, and an image, and on and on. And one of my testers actually said, this is exactly what she expects to see when she looks at a history gallery. She wants an image and a little bit of information, an image, a little bit of information. It's not image overwhelm, it's not text overwhelm. So it's a nice balance of both, and the testers appreciated that. All right, well, that is my website redesign. I hope you enjoyed seeing my presentation and prototype, and thanks for watching.